What's going on, guys? Good morning. We are headed to Detroit Sponge, getting ready to go pick up Mitch, and we're going to hang out with Keith Kalfas, some other window cleaning dudes here in Michigan. Looking forward to it. It's a little bit early, but it's freaking rock and roll. Feels good to be doing something productive today, and I want to take you along with me. Just got here to the office, got to pick up some business cards, and then head to Tim Hortons, because no morning starts without Tim Hortons. But biggest change for me, now that I'm on my meal plan, is I can't drink ice caps anymore because they're full of sugar, and I'm not allowed to have sugar, so I'm drinking black coffee. I'm really struggling, guys. I need some support. Maybe you can leave me comments below. If you drink black coffee, tell me how long it took for you to drink it until you started to like it, because I hear people say they like it, but it takes a while to get used to it. So how long did it take you until you got used to black coffee, and what's the best kind of black coffee to buy? I'm struggling, so I could use your guys' love there. And then we're headed to Detroit Sponge. Good morning, sunshine.
Hey, what's going on?
All right, so Mitch and I are, Mitch is a little late. It's 4 minutes late. That's about normal for him, though.
Hey.
So, what do you got to say to the camera? You tired?
Not tired, dude. I'm actually pumped.
All right, me too. So, let's roll. What's up, guys? So we're here. Let's see if I can. There we go. Mike behind me is giving a presentation on water-fed pole systems and all that kind of stuff. Pretty cool. Got some people that recognize here from YouTube and some new dudes that we met. It's awesome. Good time. Hey man, like you guys know I'm not a big conference guy, but it's cool to network with people that are in the same industry, definitely learn from each other. You know, some guys said some things today that get my brain working a little bit on things we can change in our business. So man, it's crazy. Like all these people here are technically our competitor, right? In our service company. But guys, there's so much work out there to be had that it's silly to think like that. Like some of you guys are so like mean to some of your competition. It's retarded. You need to network with your competition. One day you might need them, or you might learn something from them. Don't be afraid to network with your competition. Alright guys, we're out. It was supposed to go from 9 to noon, and it went from like 9 to 12:40. Yeah. So it was cool. We normally don't, you know me, I'm not like a conference guy or anything like that, but it was cool to meet some new people out there. So if I met you today, it was awesome to meet you. Hopefully we can do more stuff like that in the future. It's always good to meet people in your industry and learn new things and all that kind of stuff. So thank you guys who were there, and thank you guys for all you guys who are watching. Mitch, you got anything?
Not much. Recapped it all, so.
All right, cool. All right, guys. Love you. See you next time.